Okay, guys, just to check in with you real quick. It's been half an hour since I administered the 5-MeO DMT. And I can clearly feel its presence. Especially at the beginning, the come on was quite strong. But it, my current state of feeling is that it doesn't fully open up. You know, when I've been lying down, I've been thinking, and I can still clearly think thoughts. I'm still here, you know? And I've been contemplating the questions like, what is God? What is love? And there is a deep longing, a deep desire in me to know and to understand and to find answers, you know? Because we've got like a lot of intellectual, conceptual ideas about love and God, but to fully experience and understand and know God and then integrate God and love into our life is a little bit different. And I've got this deep longing to know. And it's kind of tragic right now because it doesn't open up fully. It doesn't provide me with the answers. And that's what a lot of psychedelic experiences are, you know, it's a lot of trial and error. For example, this new method of plugging 5-MeO DMT. It also feels a little bit different. I can still feel this presence of the 5-MeO DMT, but still it's a slight difference in the experience. Very interesting. Very interesting. I think I'm gonna meditate a little bit more, feel into the experience a little bit more, and just see how it feels and what happens. It's also good to get out of the thinking mind. It's good to focus on the letting go, on the surrender, on the breathing, and to embrace the experience as it is. Okay, I think I'll end the ceremony right here. It's been 50 minutes since I dosed the 5-MeO DMT, and I feel like the effects are almost completely gone. So that's just sometimes how it is with the psychedelic experimentation, you know? It is a lot of trial and error, and when you try a new substance or a new method of administration, you gotta be careful and you gotta start slow. So this dose was about 3 scoops. My scale said it was about 15 milligrams. and not much happened in the experience. I could clearly feel the presence of the 5-MeO DMT, but as I said, it didn't fully open up. And that's just sometimes how it is. And I want to share these experiences and these trials and errors as well with you. Sometimes you go crazy, you do weird stuff with your body, you burst out into laughter or crying. And sometimes not much happens in these experiences. And a tip that I can give you on your journey of psychedelic experimentation and exploration is, when those experiences happen and you don't feel that much, or you don't get the desired outcome, don't be frustrated. It's okay. Like, embrace and accept the experience as it is, and just continue on from there. So you can maybe try a different method of administration, or slowly ramp up the dosages of whatever you're working with. And sometimes the medicine opens up completely, or opens you up and gives you the insights that you seek, and sometimes it doesn't, and that is okay. It's a journey, you know? So that's it for this experience. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have you ever tried plugging 5-MeO DMT? I would love to know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Many people are kind of a little bit cautious with plugging. I don't know why. It's been the first time I've been plugging ever in my life, and it was fine. It was very clean. It was very very simple method, and it was not very uncomfortable. So I'll try to experiment further with it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to continue to see my journey of experimenting with 5-MeO DMT or any other psychedelic, then subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Psychedelic Actualization. You can donate via PayPal to support my work, and great things are coming. Thank you very much. I love you all, and I hope to see you in the next one.